Welcome freelancers to another training video. This time I'm going to show you some basic things on how you can monitor your gig performance, see some statistics, and how you can use this to improve your gig even further to be even better. So let me show you my screen. I'm here in the analytics section of Fiverr. On your profile you can see the analytics. So there are three different types of analytics that you can see. You have the pink line, the dark green, and the light green line. You can see the pink one is impressions, dark green clicks, and light green orders. Now what these three mean and how you can use them to your advantage. Also you can see these circles like dots all over the place. This is basically showing between two dots is 1 week duration, so how your gig perform in this 1 week here. So this is 1 week from here to here, another week, another week, another week, etc, etc. You can see from March 15 to June 6 is the last update. Now the pink one is impressions, which means that you can see, let's turn this, how many people see your gig in the search engine when they're searching. What is the number of people seeing your gig? So if you put your cursor here of your mouse, you can see that this week 23,000 people saw my gig. This week 26,000, 24,000. So it's between 20 to 30,000. What does this mean? So when they're on, as a buyer searching, social media manager, they're searching, they're seeing all these different types of freelancers. So if they see your gig like here or here or here, somewhere here, you will get one impression. So this is my gig, for example. Now this doesn't mean a lot. I mean, this means that your gig is well optimized, good SEO, it's ranking very good, it's getting a lot of audience. You're going to the next level. So this is from impressions into clicks. How many people click your gig among all this big competition? So you can see my clicks are 400 here, 400 again, 400 this week, 300 this week, 400, etc, etc. So it's around 400 every week. What does this mean? That they saw my gig between all of these different types of people. This is your competition. They saw your gig and they decided to click on it. Oh, this person has interesting gig, let me click, let me see what they offer, packages, blah 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 blah. So this means that not only your gig is well optimized, good SEO, but it's also attractive to clients. They like to see what kind of service you are offering. And many of these people here that you can see are the ones who are messaging you. They see your gig, they think it's well ranked, well attractive, they click, and they ask you a question, hey, can you help me with this or that? And you start your conversation. And the last line here, the very low one, is the number of orders. You can see orders here. So in this week, for example, I got 4 orders. Here I got 3, 9 in this week, 7, 2, this one 4, etc. So from all the people that saw your gig, many of them decided it's attractive. They clicked and opened your gig, then you had a conversation here, and some of them bought from you. Now I'm not satisfied with this small number of orders. That means that I need to work on this area here. So it's good ranked, well optimized, it's attractive, but my sales skills could use some improvements. I would like to get my numbers up more than 10 every week. Now I'm between 5 and 10, something like this, around 6, 7 is my average. So this is how I see, okay, I need to work on this part here. Maybe for you is something else. Maybe you need to work on impressions, or maybe you need to work on clicks, or maybe just like me. So this is how you can use this part here to your advantage, how you can improve your gig. So well, it's basic thing, but it's really, really, really important in growing as a profile on Fiverr. So this is about this part. Glad you liked it. Don't forget to like and comment. The people who are most active on the page, the #1 person will get a free review on their gig. I will tell them some pointers how they can improve their gig. And of course, if you have some friend or relative who you want to help, who's working on Fiverr, feel free to invite them to the group to learn this kind of thing, because it's free. I give it to you. So why not help somebody else and grow everybody together, right? And of course, if you have any message, try to put it in the comment. I will try to answer if it's not a complicated subject, if it's something regarding this. All right, so see you in the next video. Bye.